Hey girl, hey boy, it's your girl Rally Girl. I have not gone anywhere, and as you can see, I did a thing, video on that coming up soon. But I wanted to come on this channel because it takes me a minute to get here because I'm not doing a whole lot with my hair. Um, like I told you before, I'm keeping it, wrapped. So I'm basically keeping it plaited up. I put beads on it. I've done videos on that, keeping it maintained and moisturized. I've done videos on that. If there's something else that you would like me to show in that vein in terms of like what I'm actually doing, maybe a week or, throughout the week or something like that, let me know. But because I hadn't been doing any styles and stuff, I hadn't popped on. But I have not gone anywhere. I am still out here in these social media streets. In fact, I've spent a lot of time on my other channel. If you haven't caught that, haven't checked it out yet, go over and check it out. And what get from it what you need and what you don't need, you can leave it there. But I wanted to come in here today and just say hello, let you know I'm still around, and also tell you about this video I saw. And I want to say it's a few years old, and I'm like, no, I got to share this. It just really warmed my heart and my soul. Two boys, one little black boy, one little white boy. They are the best of buddies. They are friends, and they just love each other. Oh my goodness, I'm just feeling all of the warm fuzzies, like literally the chills, just the beautiful chills and that high vibrational energy. I'm feeling that, right now. But okay, so what happened was the little white boy, you might have saw this, but just in case, the little white boy wanted to get his hair shaved down so that him and his friend, the little black boy, they can go to school and fool the teacher. Because if he get his hair shaved, then hey, we look just alike. And we're going to fool the teacher. And I just thought it was the most beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm going to look for that video, and I'm going to share the link in the description. Share it around because we all need to learn from this. We all need to use this. As simple as it is, we all need to be that. And then there was another one, because when you see one, there's like a whole list of them, right? So there was another one with the little girls, black girl, white girl, and they were twins. They were twins, and you could not tell them that they were not twins. They were twins, and their moms, when possible, would dress them alike. And it was, oh my gosh. Just thinking about it, y'all. Just thinking about it. This blue jay out here. This blue jay hangs around. It's beautiful. Blue jays ain't no joke. They are beautiful though. But oh my goodness, so they're twins, and you can tell them they weren't twins. And I'm just feeling it right now, all up in here. The vibration, it feels so good. And so they went to a party or something, and some boy, he was a little older than them, and that was the tough part, and that's what the moms were concerned about. It's like they're happy, and then the one mom said, I'm happy, and then sometimes I get sad because they're gonna grow up. And what happened is they went to a party together, and they were saying they were twins, and this little boy who was a little bit older was like, you're not twins because you're not the same color. And one of the little girls, I think it was the white little girl, she got really upset, and she was like, we are twins. We're twins because we have the same soul. And she was, they both would try to convince people like, hey, we're twins. We're the same height. We're this. We got this. We got the same. Our birthdays are practically the same day, and I was just like, oh, these babies, they know we can learn a lot from them. And as simple as it seems, it's that simple. We make it hard, us adults, we make it all hard and complex, but it's not. And it doesn't have to be. Life doesn't have to be. Oh my goodness. And these little children, they